Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find personalization, so let's tap on it. So here at the top we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and if you want to, you can simply tap on custom here and you will be transferred to this section, and you can tap on select, and here you've got different albums, so you can choose the wallpaper from your own photos. If you've got the photo that you'd like to apply as your home screen, you can simply tap on this section here and you will be transferred to your own photos. Of course, you need to give the permission to access the gallery, etc. So here you will have your own photos. You can simply select them. Here you've got the themes, and here pre-installed wallpapers from which you can choose. So we've got different categories like nature, bloom, etc. You can also tap on find more, and you will be transferred to the themes, where you can find online wallpapers that are free of charge. However, you need to be aware that you need the internet connection to be actually able to enter the wallpapers. I mean, basically the themes. So just make sure that you've got one, and then you can find something here. And I highly recommend to check those options, especially if you do not really have a photo on your which was taken on your own, and you are really not sure what you'd like to apply, because there you can find a lot of beautiful things. Moreover, if we are in this personalization section and you are sure that you want to actually choose something from the online wallpapers, you can simply scroll down, and as you can see, immediately you've got those options. Here you've got some highlighted options as by the editors, by whatever, by the category, and again system wallpapers here. So if you want to, I think I'll pick this cat. So let me just cat, or maybe this one, the seal. So just tap on the wallpaper, and here you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. So I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. So here we've been transferred to the same section as I've shown you before. However, I also wanted to show you that after choosing the photo, your device will automatically blur the image on the home screen. And let's be honest, not everyone likes it. So you can turn this option off just by tapping on this drop icon, and now the home screen is, vibrant and sharp. If you will decide that you're not the biggest fan of the wallpaper you've chosen, you can simply tap on select here, and obviously here you've got the same sections that we had before. Moreover, what you can do, you can customize it, so you can zoom in or out the photo, change the position of it on the home screen and the lock screen as well. So for example, you can change it like that here, and the home screen will be kind of zoomed out. And if you're happy with the results, with your choice, just tap on apply in the right upper corner. Here, what's that? Oh, it's the wallpaper carousel, so it's actually up to you whether you want to use it. I don't want to, so let me just tap on don't agree. It was applied successfully, so we can check, and as you can see, we've got our new wallpaper applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.